Hey, welcome back. And today I want to talk about makes the what's the difference between internet companies and the traditional companies they use internet. Okay, so this is very interesting topic. A lot of people think as long as the company have websites and maybe have like shopping cart and a search engine, some plugin search engine, then that's an internet company. But I do not think so, and I will explain that later. By the way, if you would like to receive more content like this, don't forget to subscribe because I basically release videos every day. So back to our topic. There was a time, I think yesterday, I talked with my friends, I discussed with her. Uh, she mentioned a company and she said that's the internet company, but I just said I don't think that's an internet company. I don't think that's a technology company. And she asked me why. I suddenly found out it's a little bit hard for me to explain. I had I had intuition. I had intuition why that is not an internet company, but I couldn't really concretize those intuitions. And just recently, just today, I found out. Oh, NGN actually has very good opinions on this. NGN, by the way, in case you don't know NGN is a very distinguishable deep learning researcher and also entrepreneur who's mainly focused on AI companies. So his opinions on internet companies and the traditional companies is definitely it's not like a lot of companies they have their own shopping cart, they have their own like payment systems, and do you think that's the internet companies? I think that's not necessary. And the key differentiation points for internet companies and the traditional companies, in my opinion, in NGN's opinion, according to NGN's opinions, is first the first point. For the first point, internet company, uh, internet company does a lot of A/B testing, so that's because they're moving very fast and their infrastructure can support a lot of A/B testing, so that they can use those uh, data points to figure out what direction to go in instead of just making decision by intuitions. So it's first point of internet being an internet company, and second point is they have very short development time. Basically, those companies employ agile development or like use sprint as a unit, which is like 2 week. So development time is very short, so it means they can release many versions in a very short amount of time, so that they can iterate their product real fast. So that's the second trait of internet company. And the third trait, last trait of internet company is they make decisions from bottoms. Basically, it's the bottoms up decision because the internet products, those technology products, usually are very complex, extremely complex, and you cannot just like the traditional company. They make decisions from very higher ups, like CEO, or some other very higher ups management. If you make this decision that way, then your companies those will not be able to really understand the users and make decisions they fix the technology and the user needs most. So that's the internet company chat. It doesn't like maybe Coca-Cola company. The business is basically simple, selling Coke. And comparing to a lot of internet company, let's say Google, they have such a big infrastructure. The decisions, uh, the CEO, the difficulty of making decision by one person is just too high. So that's why the internet company have the trend that they make a decision from engineers, from product managers, those really frontline workers. So that's the 3 points they NGM pointed out that what the really differentiate the internet companies and the traditional companies they use internet. Yeah, so I think that's very insightful and kind of linger my point. And yeah, now at least I know how to explain that. What makes the difference between them? And so next time when you see some companies they using maybe like because now it's really easy to call APIs to use templates, so every company basically can have their own shopping cart or a lot of things, maybe like video play interface, they kind of things, but doesn't they kind of things don't make them an internet company. What really makes a company internet company, technology company is the above 3 points, which is A/B testing, short development cycle, and bottoms up decision making. So that's all for today. And if you would like to receive more videos like this, usually it's about technology news, analysis. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And other than that, I will see you next time.